Hubbard Hall, our people, your problem solvers. In this demonstration, you will see the process of removing undesirable coatings from an aluminum alloy wheel using our new Aquastrip WS1. Here, the aluminum wheels are lowered into the full-strength solution of Aquastrip WS1, heated to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. The solution is agitated and filtered to extend the life of the Aquastrip WS1 and significantly shorten the strip time. In less than 15 minutes, the wheel is removed from the tank and rinsed, showing the complete removal of all coatings. The Aquastrip WS1 paint stripper is an alkaline liquid concentrate used as received and can be used from ambient temperatures to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Excellent at removing powder coat, acrylic, and e-coat from all types of metals. The Aquastrip WS1 can be used on both ferrous and non-ferrous metals and quickly removes most coatings. As the next generation of paint strippers, the Aquastrip WS1 is free from chlorinated solvents, phenols, and acids. It will also not cause hydrogen embrittlement.